Electronic waste is an absolute nuisance to the environment. Every time a dead battery is thrown, the future generation is put at risk of breathing toxic air or drinking toxic water, because these batteries have a really toxic effect on the environment. We use up more batteries because our devices consume more power. The consumption might seem insignificant, but let me give you some stats. 40 million tons of unrecycled electronic waste was produced last year. Brace yourselves. That's equivalent to the weight of 5,000 Eiffel Towers. Instead of developing batteries that last longer, what if there was a way to reduce the power consumption of devices? Well, there is now. I am Aditya Dave, and I have developed wireless interconnects to reduce power consumption of devices. Currently, devices have multiple levels where power must flow. This is done by using physical connections between the devices. I, on the other hand, use antennas. Yes, the same ones that you have seen on top of most buildings in the past century. Something really interesting about antennas is that at higher frequencies, they become really tiny, on the scale of millimeters, and can actually fit inside the devices. To further increase the efficiency of my wireless interconnects, I place a lens on top of my antennas to send and receive power with laser-like focus. In this regards, they are really similar to eyeglasses, which help in focusing all the light rays into a tight, narrow spot so that we can see clearly. They, however, operate at a different frequency. My interconnects are also unique in their design. This is because they can split power into multiple paths. So, with an antenna on one level, I can drive two or more components on the next level. The efficiency of such wireless interconnects are 3 times more than standard physical connections. This is true for each individual path, as you can see on the slide. To give you some perspective, this would mean that your laptops or cell phones or iPods will last significantly longer because they consume less power. Imagine how many batteries can be saved. I know designing more efficient interconnects is extremely challenging, but I am motivated by the knowledge that in the near future, when we have reduced production of electronic waste, we would be working towards building a sustainable ecosystem for our future generations. Thank you.